Morning, children. I am a Hindi teacher. My name is Radhika. Something to tell you that use two-line book for writing Hindi. Use a two-line book because it is better for your handwriting. It is very better for your handwriting. Your handwriting may be beautiful, legible when you write in two-line book. And now we can start from the beginning. Children, if you wrote the first chapter's note on your notebook, put a line under that. Take a new page and start. We can start from the beginning because it is very simple language. It is very simple. So I will start from the beginning. Like Malayalam, we have Swarakshar, Vyanjanakshar and all. Small words I will start. Clear? Clear, children? Yes, we can start. First is Swarakshar. A, I, U, Er. A, I, O, Au, A. Children, read after me. Read. A, I, U, Er. A, I, O, Au, A. Clear? Clear, children? Then we can go to Vyanjanakshar. See. Ka, Kha, Ga, Gha, Nga. Pronunciation is Ka, Kha, Ga. From the throat you have to pronounce that. Ga. Then its thick form. Gha, Gha, Nga. Children, read after me. Ka, Kha, Ga, Gha, Nga. Read. Cha, Jha, Ja. This letter will come from our throat. Ja, Ja. Jha, Nya. Ta, Tha, Da, Tha, Na. There are two more letters, Da and Dha. There is a dot below that. Ta, Tha, Da, Dha, Nya. Pa, Bha, Ba, Bha, Ma. Ya, Ra, La, Va, Sha, Sha, Sa, Ha. Children, read after me. Once more I will read Vyanjanakshar. Ka, Kha, Ga, Kha, Nga. Cha, Jha, Ja, Cha, Nya. Read after me. Then Ta, Tha, Da, Tha, Na. These two letters are in Hindi. Ta, Tha, Da, Tha, Na. Pa, Pha, Ba, Ra, La, Va, Sha, Sha, Sa, Ha. Children, you may have one doubt that why we are using and where we are using these two letters. Simply I will say, if the word Da comes as the first letter, no dot is needed. Damaru. If here the Da comes as the second letter, so this letter is needed. The dot wala letter is needed. So when it comes as the first letter, dot is not needed. When it comes as second, third or fourth letter, dot is needed. All these are in Hindi Varnamala alphabet. Then here Dakkan. Dakkan ka arth hai lid. Lid. Dakkan ka arth hai lid. Then here there is no dot. Then Padhna. Padhna ka arth hai to learn, to study. Padhna ka arth hai to study. So when these letters comes as second, third or fourth, dot is needed. When it comes as the first letter, no dot is needed. This one is we are writing. Da, Damaru, Dha, Dhakkan, Da, Ladki, Dha, Padhna. Clear, children? Clear? In your two-line notebook, all you have to write one time. How many times you will write? One, only one time. Write Swarakshar, Vyanjanakshar. Clear? I will send you these notes. I will send you in the parent app, and by looking that you write one time in your notebook. After that you start. I am thinking that all of you start Hindi in the first standard onwards, and this is also familiar for you. That is Ka, Ka, Ki, Ki, Ku, Ku, Kir, Ke, Kai, Ko, Kau, Kam, Ka. Next letter is Kha, Kha, Ki, Ki, Ku, Ku, Kir, Ke, Kai, Ko, Kau, Kam, Ka. Ga, Ga, Gi, Gi, Gu, Gu, Gir. Ge, Gai, Go, Gau, Gum, Ga. Children, read after me. This is Kha. Kha, Ki, Ki, Ku, Ku, Kir, Ke, Kai, Ko, Kau, Kam, Ka. Children, all these are familiar to you. So I am going. The next one is Cha. Cha. Children, read after me. Cha, Cha, Chi, Chi, Chu, Chu, Chir, Che, Chai, Cho, Chau, Chum, Cha. Cha, Cha, Chi, Chi, Chu, Chu, Chir, Che, Chai, Cho, Chau, Chum, Cha. Children, all these are familiar to you. Then read after me. Ja, ja, ji, ji, ju, ju, jir, jay, jai, jo, jau. Read. Cha, jha, jhi, jhi, ju. Children, this sound must be come from your throat. Ja, jha, ji, ji, ju, ju, jir, jay, jai, jo, jau, jam, cha. All of you are familiar with these words. So, all you have to write up to cha. Not all letters, up to cha, you have to write one time in your notebook. What you will write one time? Swarakshar, Vyanjanakshar and these. Up to cha you have to write. Then, now we can start small words using these kaka, kiki and all. See. Children, a, gauge, read after me, gauge, gajar, kamal, kamal, ma, nal, nala, a, bell, ball, ba, ba, na, na, ma, ma, ga, ga. Then, har, har, ha, ha, tan, tan, ta, ta, bej, baj, ba, ba, chal, chala, cha, cha and la. Pavan, pavan, pa, pa. Children, clear children? We learned words with some words with a and a. Children, if you want to the meaning of this one, not needed, only read. Gauge, gajar. Gauge karte elephant. Gajar carrot. No need of studying the meaning, only read. Kamal, kamal. Nal, nala. Bell, ball. Har, har. Tan, tan. Bej, baj. Chal, chala. Pavan, pavan. Children, write all these words one time in your notebook. Read two, draw two lines and write a, then write gauge, gajar. In the column a you write a. Gauge, write in your notebook a, give a heading, give an underline, then write gauge, then write another column, draw another column and write a, then write gajar, then gauge, gajar. Clear children? Write all these words one time in your notebook. Then after a, e. Some words are there with e and e. Kila, ki, नारियल नारी, पहिया पहली, सितार सीता, चिड़िया चीर, सियार सीटी, डाकिया गाड़ी. Children, read after me. Kila, ki, keel. Here the word is ki, ki. Kitab, keel. That is also ki, ki. Then divas, di, deepak, di, divas, di, di. Nariyal, ri, nari, ri. So ri, ri. Pahiya, hi, pahali. Here e. Sitar, sida, si, si. Chidiya, there are two words, chi, di. Here cheer. So chi, chi, e. That is. Cr, ct, c, c. Cr, c, ct, c, t. ct माने क्या है? ct है विसिल, 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 WHISTLE, विसिल. डाकिया गाड़ी. Here की, डी, ई. डाकिया का अर्थ क्या है? डाकिया है पोस्टमैन. गाड़ी, गाड़ी मीन्स व्हीकल, बस ट्रेन आदि गाड़ी. नेक्स्ट इज ऊ, कछुआ. कछुआ का अर्थ है टोटिस. कबूतर, गुड़िया, doll which we are playing, no, that is गुड़िया. चूड़ी, चूड़ी का अर्थ है बैंगल, चू. गुलाल, आलू, आलू you know what is it? Potato. सुराही, सूरज. पुल, भूल. मथुर, थूप. गुलाब, फालू. सूत, सूत. कुटिया, कुटिया, coat. Children, read after me. ऊ, read. कछुआ, कबूतर, गुड़िया, चूड़ी. See, when you are writing chudi, here is a dot, chudi. Here is also a dot, gudiya, D. Gulal, आलू. सुराही, सूरज. पुल, फूल. मथुर, थूप. गुलाब, फालू. सूत, सूत. कुटिया, कूट. See children, कछुआ, chu. Here u is writing like this way. ऊ ऐसा लिखता है, ऊ ऐसा लिखना है. ऊ ऐसा लिखता है, छा, ऊ. In Malayalam you are writing like this. It is not. You have to write like this. Chu, ऊ. कबूतर. गुड़िया, ऊ. चूड़ी, ऊ. गुलाल उ, आलू लू, सुराही सु, सूरज ऊ सू, पुल पु उ, फूल ऊ, मथुर थू उ, थूप थू, गुलाब गु, भालू लू, चिल्ड्रन ऊ ऊ, सुत, सुत का अर्थ है बेटा सन उ, सूत ऊ, सी ऊ, ऊ and ऊ, कुटिया कु, ऊ कूट, that is ऊ